Okay, somebody make the fire big.
Oh, look at my shape.
Oh yeah, it's gonna get really big.
Yeah, beat it.
You guys look.
Oh my God,
guys, look.
That's a huge thing, Laura.
I'm sorry, guys. I'll put it away.
Put it away, man. Put it away. Why is it all curly at the end? God, what did you do with it?
Because I bend it over to.
How do you like reach all the way over there, man? You must have to like push it in.
I'm sorry.
Laura! Oh God.
Avery, shut.
Oh my God.
Look how pretty that is.
Wow.
Wow.
Move your big thing.
Oh my God, Allison.
Oh my God, what is wrong with you? Get it off! Oh my God, move.
Just step on it.
Move your stick, man. You want me to die?
It's hot. Oh,
No, really, I didn't know that. I didn't know that fire was hot. I had no idea.
Hey, Ashley,
What?
see this?
Yeah, I do. Bye.